kura kod kenha mar yawo kuonde kadho pi modinore mamiyo pi rocho wuothe piny maboma Nairobi. Okoni gidhi tiyo kod duol marango aluora e pachoka mar Nema. Eno ni kum manoketi mar plastics ma pachoka oketi e tim ni mar mage gik madino kuonde kadho pi kendo ketho ler mar aluora. Sakaja bende okwayo jotelo kod jopiny mondo miyo nyakwe ni mar siasa kindene podi. To lit manenre siasa ok en mano mowinjore. Owacho ni ng'ato ka ng'ato chiko yiene mar golo pache kokwayo siasa ma onge lawruok.
We've been working with Kura because many roads that have had issues are Kura roads. We've been working with Kena. If you look at areas of Mombasa Road, Uhuru Highway, Expressway, that is a Kena road, the Northern Bypass, which has had issues in Ruai, etc., that is Kena. In Ruai was the worst hit place. Ruai is the lowest point in Nairobi. And so all the water that is coming from upstream sits, if you look at the Infinity area. And so what we've agreed with Kena is that we're going to work on along Kangundo Road, a big capacity drain that then will protect the investment. Remember, Ruai is where many people have now gone and have gotten properties, but it becomes worthless if every year, because of this increased rainfall, that you can't access your property. So tunaomba tu uvumilivu, tuelewe ni hali ya anga, lakini pia kuna ile wananchi wanafanya wenyewe. Ukitupa takataka nje ya gari yako, ukitupa karatasi, ukitupa ile wrapping ya plastic, and you know, we want to really come back and enforce. I've spoken to NEMA. We are coming back to enforce heavily. Plastics were banned in this country. We need to reduce the political temperatures. Yesterday we saw a very ugly incident where a colleague, governor, was, I think it looked like he was chased out of a funeral. We've seen cases of intolerance, people coming to jeer others in meetings, people using violence. We've seen violence on the senator for Vihiga. You know, it's not a matter of life and death. We have only one country. Why gain the world and lose your soul? And really it's just asking all sides of the political divide. I think we need to tone down and be tolerant. Not everyone will agree with you all the time. And that's just what politics is.